Now it's time to make a new slide project, so come on down to the yellow circle at the bottom right, not the handiest place in the world. Click on that and we'll start things off. And you can choose a theme from Google, although to be honest they're all pretty bad. We've got some other themes, and you saw the documents earlier, that are set up better. But click the Import Theme button, and you should find these Tusk projects. There's 10 of them. I've got a couple more in here, but we don't want to look at those, just these ones. And you can pick any one you like. Unfortunately, we can't really tell what the other slides in that theme look like, other than the title slide. But I'm going to go with the Valentine one, since this is an architecture project and this is kind of a blueprint background. Not exactly a Valentine background. Anyway, I didn't name it. Click Select, and we're going to need to do this one more time, so click on the Valentine template up here and then click on Import Theme. And there we go. We've got our theme. Let's go right ahead and change the name of this so that we can keep track of it very easily. So where it says Untitled Presentation up here, just click on that. And let's put in Classical Western Architecture so that we know really easily what this is about. And because we're going to be sharing this with both my partner and my teacher, or your partner and your teacher, let's put your name and your partner's name in as well. And then click OK. And since we're here, we might as well put a title in. I'm just going to call it the same thing. You can certainly call it something else as long as your title is appropriate. Now, if your title kind of takes up too much space like mine, you can try resizing this text box to go a little bit bigger, but I don't think that's going to help me. So the next step would be make sure that you move the cursor to click on the blue line, and that's going to select everything. And I spelled architecture wrong. And then we can change the size of the font to be a little bit smaller. And if you've got a spelling mistake with the underline on it, you can right click and let the computer fix it for you. Down for the subtitle, let's put our names. At this point, please don't change fonts, colors, anything like that. That's going to come later. So I know this isn't kind of the greatest gray on top of the blue, so I'll fix that later, but let's just not take the time to do that right now. And the best part about Google Slides, besides it being available on any computer, is that as soon as you do something, it gets saved right away. So it doesn't matter if the browser crashes, your project is always backed up.